Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Dodge Dart. First, confirm your vehicle is equipped with the factory remote start system. Next, ensure all doors, the hood, and the trunk are completely closed. It is also crucial that your gear selector is firmly in the park position. Finally, make sure your vehicle's battery has sufficient charge for the system to operate correctly. To activate the remote start, begin by pressing the lock button on your key fob one time. Immediately after, within a 5-second window, press and hold the remote start button. Continue holding this button for at least 2 seconds, or until you see the vehicle's exterior lights flash. This indicates the engine has successfully started and will run for a duration of 10 minutes. Should you need more time, you can extend the engine's run time by repeating the remote start procedure. This will add an additional 10 minutes, giving you a total of 20 minutes of remote operation. If you wish to turn off the engine before the 10 or 20-minute cycle completes, simply press the remote start button on your key fob one single time. The engine will then shut down immediately. Remember, the remote start feature will not engage if your vehicle's check engine light is illuminated. For safety, never use remote start in an enclosed space, such as a garage, due to exhaust fumes. Your Dodge Dart will remain securely locked even after remote starting, so press the unlock button on your key fob to gain entry. Enjoy the convenience of a pre-warmed or pre-cooled vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.